Hey guys, it's me Grace. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am on the phone to Bethany.
Hi!
Yeah, I'm doing a mail time. So apparently she's been sending me loads of gifts. I gave her 2 gifts and apparently she might have sent them back. I don't know. She said to look at my gifts, so I can't wait to see this because there's something funny written on it or something. She's laughing right now. Send back already. Send back. Mail time. Oh, worth 500 star coins and nothing else. So we're going to start from the start with X. Of course, all the people will be getting a shout out. So, by the way, I'm confused. Like, how do all these starter noobs like get all this good stuff? Anyway, so XK and X, shout out to you. There is this. Oh my god. Beth.
Yeah?
She gave me a Miss Goldie.
What?
Yeah, I already have 3 of them. Now I have 4, but I don't have a brown one. Oh my god, thanks, Caitlin.
Oh my god.
You'll see my outfit change, Beth, by the way, because I'm trying on everything. Okay, next thing's by Lolly67891. Oh, tied up. Okay. Next thing is also by Lolly67891. Summer Peasant. Okay. That's nice. Okay, next one's also by Lolly. Urban Plate. Sorry if I didn't say that right. It's nice, I guess. Okay, next by Cute Holly 4. Beth, I got another brown Miss Goldie.
Oh my god, what are you gonna do with them both?
I don't know. But that one was from Cute Holly 4. Next, all these people that I'm saying get a shout out. Okay, next one's purple, and it's also from Cute Holly 4. So this gift is obviously a purple thing. Wonder what it is. A purple Miss Goldie.
You got so much Miss Goldie!
Okay, yay. Okay, Leopard Girl 123, which that's Bethany. Worth 500 star coins, okay. Bethany. I'm gonna kill you. That's like worth 150. Bethany. Next one's also by Bethany, Leopard Girl 123. Follow this child. She's crazy. No, my style. Hey, I gave that to you. Okay, mail time, which is pink. Very good. Ah! Your neon bubblegum that you're so happy with. Yeah, guys, she got this and she was so happy with it. I don't want it. Okay, send back. I think I know what these are. Guys, I gave her this and she didn't accept it. She already had it. And right, I also gave her... Look, what's with my outfit here? I also gave her this. Send back. She already had it. Okay, good mail time. We need to change this outfit. Like, girl, I don't need half this stuff. And guys, I will give Bethany a gift after.
You need my neon bubble.
Guys, I'm going to show you what I'm giving her.
Do you want to tell them about my alpha talks?
What? Yeah, she's laugh tacks. No, like they're serious laugh tacks.
And something's not funny. I have an alpha talk.
Yeah, she really does, guys. She has issues.
Grace got scammed or something like that.
Okay, I'm going to give Bethany a gift. You guys got to see it. She doesn't though, because she's not playing on computer, so she has to click out the camera so she can't see what I'm giving her. I'm gonna give her this, and I'm gonna give her else should I give her? So I'm giving her this. Nothing's there. Help me. What else? Oh, I know. And this. What?
I have a Christmas CD.
Okay, I sent you one thing.
Okay, Grace, I'm scared. If this is bad, I'm sending it back to you, child. Oh, Grace.
I have to go all the way to the end for it. Okay, there's your second gift.
Grace.
Yeah. Guys, can you hear her? She's like so happy that she has to get it back. Like she's such a weirdo with her
My
neon bubbles.
only friend.
Yeah, that's your only friend, guys.
No, I'm sending back that hair. I don't like it.
Yeah, I don't like it either. That's why I gave it to you. I'm gonna recycle it.
Oh my god. Should I give it to Nicole?
No, give it back.
Can I send it to my other account?
No, give it back. I'm going to recycle it. Guys, I just moved her back. So I'm gonna give her an actual good gift. Like. Okay, Beth, this next one's for your mail time. So.
Do you have another one that I can open now?
I do not want. Yeah, it's the hair back. Do you not want to save it for the mail time?
I want to.
I promise it'll be good.
Well, mail time is like depending if I got fucked it. So.
I want to recycle.
I'll probably wait until Thursday.
Okay. I'm gonna give you a good gift.
For now.
You can open it if you want.
Don't know I'm tempted though.
I might give her this, but it's kind of. I don't know what to give her.
Grace,
Yeah.
I made up a song about my neon gum.
You love that thing too much.
Neon, 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 neon. It's my best friend. War ride a piece of gum who loves me too.
It probably hates you.
Ow.
Because she's having a laugh attack.
Stop laughing.
Guys, she's having a laugh attack and it's getting serious. Like she's having. She's dying this. She's dying like.
I'm dying.
Do you hear that thing laughing? Oh, I know what to give her.
It's dying. Yeah.
Oh my god, ew.
It's time to open the gate. Okay, 3, 2. Oh my god.
Was she happy with it?
It goes with my neon gum.
How are you happy with that thing? It's so damn ugly. That's why I got rid of it.
But it goes with my neon gum.
Now you have to make one up with the dress. Didn't think about that.
It's my neon gum's friend. That means it's my friend. Yes, child. Okay. Hey, Grace.
Yeah?
Do you want your gift?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure to go follow this girl. She's really nice. this thing. Make sure to follow her. But she gives really good gifts. Totally. No,
Yeah,
guys.
I asked.
Actually, go follow her. I'll be back in a few minutes. I'm just gonna go text that girl. Yeah. Guys, Bethany's after losing her neon gum. She doesn't know where her neon gum's gone, and it's not my thing. Oh, it used to be 150.
It's now 175.
So, guys, her neon gum is now gone, and it's not mine, guys. I will show you. Don't mind that there. Well, follow her, obviously. She's so nice. It's not there. Guys, just send me gum. Go away with your gum. That's so mean. Gum. What is it? I know, guys, this video is all over the place.
Look at it and see.
It's not letting me. What is this? It's a red thing. Okay, I'm opening it. Ah, no! That's the worst thing you can ever give me.
Well, you have to accept it like it's gum.
I'm gonna block her.
You have to accept it.
Beth? Beth? Beth?
What?
Guess what?
What?
Guess.
You have my neon gum.
No, I don't. It's something beginning with B.
Bethany.
I'm gonna be you.
Block me.
Yes.
Great.
Because you're giving me all these things. Okay, fine. Oh, there's the crop top.
But what about my neon gum? I have to find you the culprit.
It went up. So, bye guys. Make sure to like and make sure to subscribe. This video is all over the place. Me and Bethany are like crazy right now. Bye.